Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create alliance in Warpath Ace Shooter. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Warpath Ace Shooter app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you get to the home screen, tap on the alliance icon at the bottom right and then click on Create Alliance. Make sure that you already are not in an alliance in order to create one. So in order to create, simply tap on Create Alliance and then customize your alliance by picking up a unique username. You can also write down a short name. Select the language for your alliance. You'll also need to choose a flag or symbol for your alliance. Simply tap the select button under flag and then choose a flag. You'll get to customize the flag's type, color, etc. Simply go ahead and make a selection. Make sure to make a unique flag choice, and once you are done, click on OK. Now finally, in order to create an alliance, you need to spend 500 coins. So go ahead and tap on Create button at the bottom. Make sure you have 500 coins to create an alliance and tap on OK. Confirm that you would like to spend the coins, and you are now a leader of your new alliance. Tap on OK and there you go. After you join in or create an alliance, you will earn extra rewards by participating in alliance events and group activities. You'll get help and assistance whenever you need to speed up your building and research times, request reinforcements during attacks, coordinate attacks and defenses with alliance chat and quick commands, etc. So that's how you will be able to create an alliance in Warpath Ace Shooter. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.